What's up guys, Carolynn Castillo here, listing agent with eXp Realty. Today's property, we're located in South Florida's hottest city, Miami Beach. This property features 2 bedrooms, 2 baths with stunning intercoastal views. Let's go take a look. Hi guys, welcome to this amazing property. Come with me. So the really awesome thing about this house is it's really close to the elevator, which I always love with condos. You're not at like the back of the last part of the building. So right here, 11B, come on in. Oh my God, look at this view. Can you believe it? This is my favorite part about this building. So when you're on Collins Avenue, the 5800 block, sometimes if you're facing Collins Avenue, you have absolutely no view because you have a building in front of you, but not this one. Look at this, all the $1 million properties. You have beautiful intercoastal views, mansions, yachts. And I mean, look at this balcony. You can be here, hanging out. Of course, they have the hurricane shutters. It's just absolutely stunning. And everybody knows that an intercoastal view is the best also at nighttime. When you're on the ocean, it's great during the day, but at night, there's absolutely nothing. So when you're on the intercoastal, you get a daytime view and a night view. So come check this place out. It's really, really neat. This condo has actually been completely updated, which is really rare. A lot of times, oceanfront condos, they're original, and you have to do all the work. So in this unit, you're gonna see new flooring, new bathrooms, new kitchens. You're gonna love it. So in this room is the living area. It's really big and spacious. They have a big couch and a big dining table. And look at this kitchen. Open kitchen. So originally this did have a wall here, so it's closed in, but now this is super big, super open. Has the granite countertops, wood cabinetry, and also the glass fill-in. Such a nice touch. I love it. Lots and lots and lots of cabinetry here. This is a really big kitchen. You also have an amazing pantry over there. And I mean, everybody loves this. Look at this beautiful island here where you can be preparing food, eating breakfast, entertaining with your guests. You're gonna love this master bedroom. This is an extra large master bedroom, and you conveniently have a bathroom right here, which is for your guests. So when your guests come over, they don't have to come inside your room or anything like that. And I'm gonna show you the room first, and we'll go to the bathroom. So in this, you actually have 3 closets, okay? And what's the most amazing part? Right behind me, look at this fantastic view. So right here from your bedroom, you're getting the beautiful, gorgeous night view of the intercoastal, but you're also getting the daytime view of the $1 million properties and the endless water. I mean, I just absolutely love it. And again, it's very unique because normally these buildings have another building right in front of it and you have no view. So this is a really, really unique property. So in this, you have the updated flooring, so you don't have to worry about doing any flooring. Very neutral color on the walls. Like I said, you have 3 closets in the master. That's a win, okay? Now, they did fully update this bathroom, so you are gonna have granite countertops in your shower. You're gonna have the wood cabinetry, a lovely backsplash, stone marble. You've got the glass shower doors. I mean, it's stunning. They have the mirrors all the way to the ceiling, built-in lighting, recessed lighting. Very nice master bathroom, very nice master bathroom. And then of course you have your guest bathroom. Now the great thing is you've got another bedroom here, and this is perfect for your guests, or maybe you have a friend that likes to come to South Florida and stay. This is perfect for them because it's a cute little bedroom here. And you've got plenty of space, nice, clear, and open. And again, look where we are, looking at this gorgeous view, checking out all of the amazing South Florida life. And with this property, you're gonna absolutely love it, because when you live here in Miami Beach, you're gonna have access to everything in South Florida. This is really living the South Florida life. So we're excited to get this one on the market for you. We're gonna make this lot active right away, so you can actually set up a private showing. My name is Carolynn Castillo. I would love to take you on a private tour of this. All my information is below. So I hope to hear from you soon and get you this condo right away.